cerita saya Riz, hari ni saya ada beli wall bracket, E-spring punya wall bracket. Okay, sebab apa? Okay, E-spring ni kan, kalau kita nak on the desktop boleh, tapi kalau kita nak wall mount pun boleh. So kalau kita nak wall mount, okay, we have to buy the wall mount kit lah. Wall mount bracket kit. Okay, so today I'm going to buat a bit of drilling sikit. Right, so what consists of here, dia dah siapkan, dia ada kasih apa ni, the screw, the screw, and also dia kasih spare. Dia ada kasih spare ini apa, dia punya tube punya connector, you see. Alright, so this is dia punya screw, for the screws, the wall plug they given. And also this is dia punya the wall mount lah. So what happens is that, okay, so kalau you tengok, okay, so this will be on the wall. Okay, so the groove yang ini kan, ni nampak, ni ada groove kan, dia akan sit sini and then push it up to lock. Okay, arrow up, so ini and dia lock. Bila dia duduk, when you put in, they lock, and then it wall mount. Alright, so this thing will be on the wall. Dia dekat wall lah. Dekat wall, then dia masukkan sini. Nampak tak? So ini, what happen is that yang ini dia akan duduk kat atas sini lah. Alright, so I'm going to show how it works. But before, nak kena off kita punya E-spring dulu. Okay, so I off dulu. Suka buka macam gitu ya. Okay, so this is E-spring brain ya, jaga ya. Right, this is dia punya connector lah that I talk about. Nampak? Inilah connector air lah, which bila kita beli wall mount bracket ni, dia kasih free ya, untuk replace lah. So since dah ada, saya akan replace the old one to the new one. Nampak putih bersih Okay, so this is, kalau nampak sini ini yang besar punya, yang ni yang kecil. Okay, yang besar is water in and water out. That means water in for untuk bersihkan. Bila air dah bersih, pergi kat UV light, pass through UV light, dia pergi sini dan dia terus keluar dekat pipe air kita yang kat sini. Air bersih. Alright. Tapi hari ni untuk tunjuk macam mana nak wall mount bracket. Saya nak wall mount ni. Okay, sebentar. Yang besar masuk sini, yang kecil masuk sini. Of course, ni bila kita beli E-spring nya cartridge, dia normally dikasih ni free. Okay, ni untuk actually to hold and to pull. Boleh nampak tak? Tak nampak. Ini untuk to hold, push dia punya ini, so that kita boleh pull. Push and pull. Nampak tak? Nampak. Since ada connector baru kan, I'm going to use a new connector. Dia very easy je. Ini kan dia punya tu, dia punya plunger tu, push aja, push, dan you boleh keluarkan. So easy. Push dia punya plunger, this plunger here, you push ke atas, then dah boleh go out from the tube. Okay, so easy. Tube goes to the big connector, small tube go to the small connector. So make sure dia punya tip yang ini okay, jangan hilang okay, if don't have, please go and buy. Okay, it comes together with the tube when you buy baru punya tube. Okay, so I'm going to put this plug in. Kita plug in gini je, then it's locked already. Push in. Once you push in already, you can feel that it's already go in, and then it's locked. This is how dia punya bracket ni. Okay, so E-spring will sit over here. Okay, Nampak tak dia punya tu? There's a hole here. It's actually for the spring to sit nicely. Dia tak akan jatuh. Okay? Dia sit. Nampak? Dia ada dia punya groove lah. So it won't fall off. Right? So the next thing is that to put in the tube. Okay? There's a big tube and small tube. Right? So there is a big tube and small tube. Big tube go to the big tube. So this is the big tube, this is a small tube. So you don't have to worry kalau macam gini kan. Okay, susah nak itu, you just pusing je lah. Kan? Apa susah? Tak susah kan? Okay, big and small masuk. So exactly bila kat sini, bila masuk sini kan. This just now I show the side view, so now the top view. So put in small one and the big one. Okay, and then you just need to push in. Itu ada dia group. Tolak aja. Tolak. Okay, it's locked already. Alright. And then on the side view, okay, on the back of it, okay, ada groove kat sini Okay, so this tube can sit inside. Just need to give a little bit of push. It's already sit inside. But of course, bila mau we need to put in the back the head, everything. Hang on. Okay, so we put back the brain. The brain sit over here. Of course, the brain kat sini. Can you tengok So put in the brain. There is the wire here, right? Okay, the wire just sit nicely over there. Okay, and then this thing you can sit it over here. Boleh nampak tak? Dia punya just nice. Okay, so the wire sit nicely and then it will go down. Okay, so this is how the back view of it. Bit rough sikit but there is a groove kat situ for the wire to sit before you can close. So anda boleh tutup. Okay, sorry I cakap Melayu, cakap Melayu separuh-paruh lah. Okay, so is there. Nampak? Dah tutup. Nampak dia punya back of it, right, and the top part. Boleh nampak? Okay, just sit nicely. Okay, make sure it sit nicely there. Can cover. Then the back of it. Okay, the tube is here. Nampak the tube punya apa? Tempat punya groove dia macam dia. And then dia punya wire. This one is very important. This one is actually the coil lah. To step down from 24 volt 230 volt to 12 volt. Alright. So let's do the mounting. Okay, I'm not going to mount kat sini, bawah sini, because ini tempat punya mangkuk. Alright, nanti air meleleh kan. Not nice. So I'm going to mount just nice dekat situ. Just need to have this to mount sini. Itu masuk kat acuan dia, dia akan duduk lock. Okay, so I'm going to mount somewhere around here. Okay, I'm just nice. So make sure ini pointing up this way not this way. Okay, this way. And make use of the water level just to make sure that dia level up. Okay, so I'm finding it over here. That's nice. Allowance kat bawah sikit sebab ini allowance dalam 15. So kalau you nak mount sini, make sure bawah 15 akan touch the base the base. So you make sure kat sini just nice. Then dia duduk just nice on top. Okay, this is a marker pen. I use a water level, okay, to make sure that the water level dia straight. Okay, make a guide line. Alright, so make a marking. Okay, so I got 4 dots over there. Okay, so it's time to drilling. Bismillah. I just need nak kena drill sampai ke sini je lah, at this marking point. Okay, so I continue drill boleh. Okay, I managed to drill all the 4. So dah habis drill, kita dulu lah tempat small ni. Okay, just make sure that this fit in. Okay. Macam ketatkan tayar bunyi. So okay, it's done. So this is how you mount the spring on the wall. Okay, so spring pun dah pasang. Okay, dan wrist baru pasang dia punya casing lah. Jadi wiring kelihatan kemas, kelihatan kemas dan rapi. Alright, so inilah dia spring yang dah dipasang on the wall mount bracket. Alright, nampak tak? Okay, kemas rapi. Alright, sekian saja video wrist untuk hari ini. Okay, so jangan lupa subscribe, follow YouTube Rizwan Osman. Sekian saja daripada saya. Assalamualaikum.